Volunteer Fairfax is a nonprofit organization based in Fairfax, Virginia, that connects people with volunteering opportunities. We facilitate volunteering. We connect people with purpose. We have 3 large signature events. The next one is coming up on November 3rd in Annandale, and it's called VolunteerFest. And what that event is going to be, we're going to pack 75,000 meals for local food insecure families and individuals. That's going to be happening at the JCC in Annandale. Kids are off school that day, and so we encourage families to bring their kids. Anyone under the age of 16 needs to come with a parent or guardian, but children as young as 5 years old are able to participate. So there's going to be more than 30 different organizations at the community fair portion of this event. And it's a wide range of organizations, everything from family services to homelessness to animal welfare, the environmental cleanup, all different kinds of nonprofit organizations. So pretty much any kind of volunteer activity that you're interested in trying, there's probably a nonprofit there for you to do that with. And there will both be some activities to volunteer with some of these organizations on site at the community fair, as well as opportunities to learn more information about how to volunteer on another day. You do need to pre-register to participate in this event, but you can do that and learn more information on our website. We hope to see you there.